Hello class 12. Today I am going to start with the chapter Human Health and Diseases. Now it is your last topic of this chapter, adolescence, drug and drug abuse. Okay. This is the last topic of this chapter, that is adolescence, drug and drug abuse. What is adolescence? Adolescence is the period of psychological, social and physical transition between childhood and adulthood. Between childhood and adulthood. Okay. Adolescents are the less experienced adult and are prone to errors of judgment and are also sensitive to neurological assault caused by drug and alcohol. Adolescents or teenagers, basically adolescents are called teenagers, are drugs and alcohol, use drug and alcohol to have fun or to flaunt in the society in spite of knowing the fact that they are ruining their health. Okay. Adolescents basically relate to the term teenager, यानी कि उनको अच्छा और बुरा करने का, जजमेंट करने का अभी कोई नॉलेज नहीं होता है. That is a period of the psychologically, social and physical transition between the childhood and adulthood. Adolescents are the less experienced adult. Adolescents are the less experienced adults and are prone to errors of judgment and are also sensitive to neurological assault caused by drug and alcohol. Okay, adolescents or teenagers use drugs and alcohol to have fun or to flaunt in the society. Okay, now next one, drug. What is drug? Anything जो आप मेडिसिन खाते हैं बुखार होने पर, वो भी तो आपकी ड्रग है. What is drug? Drug are the chemical substance. Drug are the chemical substance. Drug are the chemical substance which are used in the diagnosis, prevention, treatment and cure of the diseases. Are the chemical substances are used in the diagnosis, prevention and cure of the disease. These substances may change the working style of the body. Drugs which are commonly abused belong to the following categories. Drugs are commonly abused belonging to the following category. First is type of drug. Are of basically two types of drug. It is of two types. First one is psychotropic drugs. Psychotropic drug, and the second one is psychedelic drug. That is psychedelic drugs or hallucinogens or hallucinogens. Okay. Now psychotropic drugs are of following type. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tranquilizers. Quillers. Second, sedatives and hypnotics or hypnotics. CS. Now opiates, stimulants, antidepressant, antidepressants and sedative hypnotics are of two types. Sedative hypnotics are of two types. That is barbiturates rates and benzodiazepines. Okay. Now drugs basically are of two types, psychotropic drug and psychedelic drug or hallucinogens. And psychotropic are of five types. Tranquilizers, sedative hypnotics, opiates, stimulants and antidepressant. And sedative hypnotics are of two types, barbiturates, benzodiazepines. Okay, now we start with this opioids. Opioids basically are the drugs which bind to specific opioid receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Okay. Now opioids are basically heroin also called as smack is a good example of this opioids or opiates, that is smack. The good example of this opioids or heroin. Okay. It is obtained from the acetylation of the morphine. Morphine is extracted from the latex of the poppy plant. Poppy plant. Okay. Now, cannabinoids are hallucinogenic drug. What are hallucinogenic drug? They change mood, behavior and thought, etc. Okay. They change mood, behavior, etc. That is hallucinogens. And cannabinoids are the group of chemicals which interact with cannabinoid receptor present mainly in the brain. Cannabis sativa is a type of hallucinogen drug. Okay. Now next is barbiturates. Barbiturates is a type of sedative hypnotics. They are generally depressant for all excitable cell, but central nervous system is the most sensitive to these drugs. They reduce anxiety and induce sleep, and they are used as sleeping pill and methylbarbital. Sleeping pill, that is methylbarbital. Now coca, alkaloid and cocaine are the stimulants. Coca, alkaloids or cocaine are stimulants. These are stimulant. Cocaine has the potent stimulant action on the central nervous system, producing a sense of euphoria and increased energy. Cocaine is derived from the leaves of the young branches of the South American plant called Erythroxylum coca. Is from Erythroxylum coca, commonly called coke or crack.